math is dx by, you write down dx by root over 5 minus 4x square. 5 minus 4x square. What I told you, you have to free this x square, right? Can you remember? So we can write here, you see, dx by, what will you do? We will take 4 common, right? So 4 has been taken common. Then we are left here 5 by 4, right? This 4 will be omitted, minus x square. You see, we have made x square free of coefficient. That is 1 will be their coefficient, okay? Have you got it? What will you do? You will take common. Which part is to be taken common? The coefficient of x square is to be taken common, okay? Is it? Now you see, this 4 can be taken outside the square root. It is half, okay? Integration sign. Then it is dx. And it is root over. It can be written 5 by 4. That is root 5 by 2 whole square minus what? X square. Now let me know the formula. What is the formula? Can you please tell me what is the formula? What is the formula of dx by root over a square minus x square? Okay, not a matter. You write down.
So
It is
sine inverse
very
x by root 5 by 2.
sine inverse x. This is x by a. A means what? Root 5 by root 5 by 2. Sine inverse x by a plus c. Have you got it? Now you have to maintain the formalities only. Nothing is left here. That is half sine inverse 2x by root 5 plus c, and math is done. Have you got it or not? Talk to me.
বুঝেছি স্যার।
Okay, that's good. Now going to question number 4. Same type of math. Okay, question number 4 is also
স্যার ডান সাইডেরটা মুছছেন না।
okay. Now question number 4. It is 2 minus 3x square. It is 2. It is 2 and it is 3. So do it, and I know that you can do it. Have you copied it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what will we do here? Like the previous one. Okay, dx will take, which is to be taken common? Let me know. 3. 3. Then it is 2 by 3. Then it is minus x square, right? Now we can do one thing. 1 by, this is root over 3. Okay. Then dx by square root. Then it is root 2 by this is a square minus a, this is x square. Okay. Now let me know what is the formula. Same thing, it will be what? 1 by
3 sine inverse
1 by
x
root
by
3, right? Then sine
sorry,
inverse
root 3.
sine inverse x by root 2 by root 3, right? Then it will be what? Only root over 3. Here it will be root 3x by root 2. It will be root over 3x by root over 2 this. So you have got our answer. Okay. Is it okay to all? Copy it. Have you copied?
जी sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now going to question number 30. 31. That is dx by 9x square minus 16. Dx by 9x square minus 16. Very easy and simple. What I told you. Let me know. You have to make x square free. So take 9 common, right? That is x square minus 16 by 9. Is it? That is, we are getting 1 by 9. It is dx. Now it is a square minus, let me know what is the formula. Who can tell me? It is 1 by 9. Okay, keep it as it is. Then 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. What is a? A is 4 by 3. 1 by 2a. Then this is ln absolute value. X square minus a square. So it will be x minus a by x plus a plus c. Talk to me. Can you see the board? Then it is plus c. Okay. That is, we are getting here. This is 3. 1 into 3 by 9 into 8. Okay. Then we are getting ln. If we get, have the LCM, 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. It is 3x plus 4 plus c. Okay. 3 will be LCM here, also here, and 3 will be omitted, as well as, I have multiplied by 3. 3x minus 4, 3x plus 4. Now we are getting 3 cancelled. That is 1 by 24. 1 by 24 ln. It is 3x minus 4 by 3x plus 4 plus c. Talk to me. Have you got it or not? Actually, it depends on the formula, nothing else. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to question number 32. You have to know the formula, nothing else. Suppose if you know the formula, then yes, it is possible to do all maths. Otherwise not. It is dx by 16 minus 4x square. What is the difference with the previous math and this math? In the previous math, x square was at first, but here x square is at last. Okay, not a matter. We'll continue doing the maths. Dx by What will you do? We will take 4 common. That is 4 minus x square. Is it? Good. That means 1 by 4 dx by it is 2 square minus x square. Now let me know what is the formula. You just see x is here in the second position. Okay. But in the previous math, x was in the first position. For the previous math, in the formula, x was at first here. But in this case, it won't be. Okay. You see, I proved all the formulas. Perhaps you have got it or you got it at that time. It is, this is 1 by 4, then 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. What is a here? A is 2, right? 1 by 2a ln. Okay, then let me know. Who can tell me? A plus x. Yes, it is a plus x by a minus x plus c. Talk to me. 1 by 16 ln 2 plus x, 2 minus x plus c. Okay? It is the answer. When x is at last, okay, then remember one thing, it is a plus x, and you just differentiate between the previous math and this math in the formula. Okay? So we have got our math. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 of 30. Dx by 9 minus 4x square. I think you all can do it now, right? What will you do? Dx by, you will take 4 common, 9 by 4 minus x square. That is 1 by 4 dx 3 by 2 whole square minus x square. Okay? Now, it depends on the formula. What is the formula? It is 1 by 4 will be kept as it is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a. A for what? 3 by 2. A is 3 by 2. Okay. Then ln a plus x. This is a plus x, a minus x plus c. Okay. Now you calculate what will be there. This 2 will be omitted. So we'll be left with 1 by 12 ln 3 plus 2x. I am going to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2, and it is 3 minus 2x, and it is plus c. So math is done.
স্যার এটা কত 3 নাম্বার?
It is question number 30.
30.
Okay, are you getting it or not?
বুঝছি স্যার।
Okay, now the next math. That is question number 4 of 30. Question number 4 of 30. It is cos x dx by 3 plus cos square x. Cos x dx by 3 plus cos square x. What will you do? Just let me know. Can you please tell me? You see, It is cos x dx. Okay, very good. It is what? 3 plus 1 minus sin square x, right? Is it? Hello? Okay,
Yes, sir.
now you see it is cos x dx, and it is what? We can write here 4 minus sin square x, right? Now, if we let sin x equals to, if we let sin x equals to z, sin x equals to z, then we are getting cosine x dx equals to dz, right? That means we are getting here cosine x dx equals to dz by, it is what? 4
4
can be,
minus z square.
it, it can be written as 2 whole square. What is sin x? Sin x is z whole square, right? Now you see we are getting the previous formula. Okay, that I did for question number 2 and 3 of 30. Okay, you see it can be written as, let me know the formula, 1 by 2a. A is 2 ln 2 plus z by 2 minus z, okay, plus c. That means 1 by 4 ln, what is the value of z? Z is sin x. So 2 plus sin x by 2 minus sin x plus c. And we have got our answer. Okay. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now going to the next math, question number 31. 31 1. Okay. You see dx by x square minus x plus 1. Dx by x square minus x plus 1. Okay. What do we do? It is, you see what I'm going to do. A square minus 2a. What we need to make x? We need half 2ab plus b square. You see what I'm going to do. A square minus 2a. This is a. A is x here. 2a. But it is here only x. So I have taken half. 2 will be omitted. Then it will minus x only. Okay. Then it is b square. This is b square. And here it is 1. But this is half. That is 1 by 4. Will be subtracted. I know that you have not got it. Okay, you see, this one is this one. If we calculate, we will get this. This and this same. So we have got everything is okay. And you see this and this have been added and subtracted. Okay. That means we are getting here dx by, it is what? You see the first three terms can be put into formula. of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. And this is 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Okay. So we can write here like this, you see, dxy, we can write here x minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Now see, x square plus a square. Now let me know what is the formula of x square plus a square. All of you. X square plus a square. Formula, what is the formula? 1 by a, 1 by a, then tan inverse x by a, right? This is x, this is x, and this is a. Talk to me, all of you. So we are getting 2 by root 3 tan inverse. If we go for multiplying, then we are left with 2x minus 1 by, it is only root 3 plus c. We have got our answer, okay? 31, 1. Yes, it is right. Okay. So it's not so hard as you are thinking, okay? Now going to question number 2. Question number 2 of 31. Okay. It is dx by x square plus 6x plus 25. Okay, you see what will you do? Like the previous math, a square plus 2a. It is 6x, so we need 3, right? It is plus 3 square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. But you see, it is this, it is 6x, it is this, it is here 9 only, right? 3 square equals to what? 9. But here in this math we have 25. So what is left? We are left with plus 16. 16 and 9 will make 25. That's good. As a result, we see that first 3 terms can be put into formula of a plus b whole square. This is plus 4 square. Okay. Now again, what is the formula? Let me know. 1 by a, 1 by a, tan inverse x by a. This is x and this is a plus c. And we are done here. Hello everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
স্যার এই এক্সারসাইজ স্যার কয়টা ম্যাথ বাকি আছে?
We'll finish it today. Okay. Now question number 3. dx by x square minus 6x plus 18. X square minus 6x plus 18. Now I think you can do it at home, right? In the same way, homework. You will do it at home. Like the previous math. Okay. Question number 4. We see it is dx by x square plus x, right? Okay, not a matter. You can do it in this way, dx by, this is x square, so a square plus 2 A, B. You see, x square, x 2 omitted will be omitted, x plus b square, okay, minus 1 by 4. I think you can do it now. This is dx. This is the first three can be put into formula a plus b whole square minus half whole square. Okay, can you do it now? What is the formula? Let me know. What is the formula? Can you tell me?
1 by half tan inverse
It is minus.
x plus half. What's up?
What will be the formula? Who can tell me? Is there anyone here who could tell me the formula?
Sir, 1 by 2a ln এটা কিছু বলেছি।
Not getting you. 1 by 2a means?
স্যার ভুল বলতেছিলাম আই গেস, বাদ দেন।
Okay, not a matter. Okay, someone can tell. Who can tell me? What is the formula here? I gave you all the formula. Take out the formula.
স্যার এটা কি 1 by 2 এ ln absolute value of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c এইটা?
Yes, the easiest formula. 1 by 2a, then sorry.
স্যার কই গেলেন?
Sorry, sir. Okay, let me know the formula. What is the formula?
স্যার 1 by 2 এ ln absolute value of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c.
1 by 2a. What is a? A is half ln, then it is x. So x will be at first. X, this is a. I mean, sorry, this is x. X, then let me know x minus a. It is x plus a. Is it the formula? Talk to me. Hello, everybody.
জি স্যার এইটাই।
Oh, why you are so silent? You can't answer me. You can tell me. I don't know. Huh? Now you see 2 will be omitted. So nothing is there to write down. It is what? Half will be omitted. So it is only x, and it is half plus half, it is 1. So it is x plus 1 plus c, and it is done. So I don't know why you all are so silent. Huh? I did 2 or 3 maths on this formula, but
স্যার লাস্ট লাইনটা মুছেন না।
okay, I will not. Now you see question number 5. This is 5 plus 4x. Who can do it? Talk to me. Is anyone here to do it? Talk to me. No one is 0, right? So 5 can be written 9 minus 4 plus 4x minus x square. Okay, why and how we have written it? You see, because we have to do this format. 9 minus x square minus 4x plus 4. Now you see this line and this line are same. Okay, as it is 4x, so I need 4, and it is 5, so 9 minus 4 equals to 5. That is, we are getting here dx by, it is 3 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square. Now I will not do it. After this, it is homework. You should know the formula. Okay, everybody. We want to finish the exercise today, but after a long time, perhaps you are doing maths for this. Your hands are not working properly, right? This is dx by root over x square plus 4x plus 13. Can you do this math? Like the previous math, it is to be done. You see, all of you, please pay attention. It is dx by, this is what? A square plus 2a. What we need here? We need 2 to the 4x. That is plus 2. So 2 square 4, it is 13, so it is 9. That means dx by root over x plus 2 whole square plus 3 whole square. After this, it is homework. You have to put it into formula of tan inverse 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Are you getting me? You are left with only one line. No, it is not tan inverse x, sorry. Then what is to be done? Let me know. Who can tell me? What is this formula? All of you.
Sir, sine inverse x by a plus c.
Sine inverse. What is the formula? Let me know. Go to the formula. All of you.
Sine inverse x by a plus c.
Is it? No, it is not. Okay.
Sine inverse টা না a square
It
minus
is
x square হলে
it is
হয়?
it is not sine inverse. Then let me know. Who can tell me? Okay. Root over a square plus x square. Hello everybody. Can you please let me know? What is the formula? Write down the formula. Write down the formula. Dx by root over x square plus a square. What is this formula? Ln absolute value x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. Write down the formula. So it is equal to ln x মানে x plus 2, okay, plus root over x plus 2 whole square plus 3 whole square plus c. It is a formula. That means we are getting here ln absolute value x plus 2 plus root over if we get it, x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 9, that is 13 plus c. It is a formula. Please write down. Okay, everybody. Okay. Now you see, all of you, pay attention. 100% attention is needed now. Okay, I am going to show it in the next math. You see question number 33(1). In the next math, I will show you something else. Suppose it is x dx by root over 1 minus x. Can you do it? You cannot. Write down. Write down. Let root over 1 minus x equals to z, right? Then we are getting 1 minus x equals to z square. Then we are getting x is equal to 1 minus z square. Talk to me, all of you. That is, dx is equal to minus 2z dz. If you don't get, please talk to me. Hello, all of you. Then what will you do? Write down minus 2. What is x dz? X dx is z dz. Z dz by, sorry, what is the value of x dx? What is the value of x? I'm sorry, what is the value of x? X is this 1 minus z square. 1 minus z square. What is the value of dx? Value of dx is z dz into z dz. And root over 1 minus x is as by z here. Talk to me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You see again, value of x is 1 minus z square. Dx its value is minus 2 z dz, z dz. Root over 1 minus x its value is z. Now zz will be omitted. So we are left with what? Minus 2 1 minus z square dz. Now can you do it? Yes, you can do. Minus 2, 1 means z. This is z cube. It is again 3 plus c. Now put the value of z. Okay. Value of z minus 2. Okay. Z is root over 1 minus x minus z is root over 1 minus x. That is root over 1 minus x whole to the power 3. That is 1 minus x whole to the power 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. I have just put the value. Let me see the answer. Okay, it is not the answer. Okay, but it is not the answer. Not a matter. Have you done up to this, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see what we can do. This is minus 2, not a matter. You take root over 1 minus x common. Okay. Then we are left with what? Let me know. Here it is 1. It is 3. And we are left with here only 1 minus x. Is it? If you don't understand, you are required to talk to me. 1 minus x whole to the power 3 by 2 means what? It means root over 1 minus x into only 1 minus x. Okay, if we multiply these two, then we'll get this. Because its power is 1, its power is half. Half plus 1 equals to 3 by 2, right? So what we have done here, if you do or if you leave your answer after this, then this is also right. Anyway, this is minus 2 root over 1 minus x. Here you get the LCM, 3. 3 minus 1 plus x plus c. That means we are getting what we are getting here, minus 2 by 3. Yes, it is right. Root over 1 minus x. Okay. This is x plus 2. X plus 2. Okay. This is plus c. It is the answer given in the book. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Then question number 2. Okay. Dx by x minus 3 root over x plus 1. Dx by x minus 3. Sorry. X minus 3 root over x plus 1. Do it. What will you do? Just talk to me. What will you do? You just let root over x plus 1 equals to z. Okay. Is it okay? Then you have to write down x plus 1 equals to what? Z square. Very good. X equals to what? Z square minus 1. So dx equals to what? 2z dz. Is it okay? Now you see there is x minus 3. So from here we can write down x minus 3 equals to what? Z square minus 1 minus 3, that is z square minus 4. Now you do it. You just carry on. It is 2 at first. What is the value of dx? Dx, value of dx is 2z dz. So we can write here z dz. Then x minus 3, z square minus 4. And root over x plus 1 is z. Is it okay to all?
Yes, sir.
Now you see zz will be omitted, right? So we are getting dz by z square minus 2a square. After this, can you do 1 by 2a ln z minus 2 by z plus 2? Okay, have you copied it? After this, we can write down this is 2, then 1 by 2a. Okay, what is the formula? Let me know. What is the formula? 1 by a square minus x square. What is the formula? One by a square minus x square. What is the formula? 1
Sir,
by
1 by 2
2a
ln
2a ln z
z
minus
minus 2
2
by z plus
by
2 plus 2.
z plus 2 plus c. So 2 will be omitted. So we'll be left with only. We'll be left with only this 2 will.
স্যার বুঝছেন না
This is only 1 by 2. This is ln. What is the value of z? Is root over x plus 1. Then it is minus 2. Again root over x plus 1. It is plus 2. It is plus c. Math is done. Okay. Have you got it or not? This is the question to all of you.
ইয়েস স্যার
জি স্যার।
Okay. Then question number 3. Okay, you see dx by 1 minus x root over 1 plus x. Okay, so what will you do? Root over 1 plus x equals to z, 1 plus x equals to z square, x equals to z square minus 1, dx equals to 2z dz. Here it is 1 minus x, here it is 1 minus x. Okay, very good, not a matter. From here we can write down 1 minus x equals to 1 minus z square minus 1, right? That means 1 minus minus plus 1. So we are getting 2 minus z square. Now can you do this? You will just put the value. What is the value of dx? 2. 2z dz. What is 1 minus x? 2 minus z square. What is root over 1 plus x? Is z. So our math is done, right? You see z will be omitted. That is 2. We can write down dz by root 2 whole square minus z square, and use the previous formula of question number 2. I will not do it. Okay, complete it. You complete, please. Is it okay? Now going to question number 34.1. dx by a square plus x square, a square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. This is the math. Write down what is to do. Write down let x equals to a tan theta. Okay, therefore we are getting dx equal to a, what is tan theta? Sec square theta d theta, right? That is I for integration is equal to, you just go for writing. What is the value of dx? Dx is here a sec square theta, a sec square theta d theta, right? Now you see, this is the hardest part. It is a square, very good. It is a square plus x. It is x square. That means a square tan square theta 3 by 2. Everybody, please talk to me. Now we see it is equal to a sec square theta d theta, a sec square theta d theta. Now if a square is taken common, then we are getting here, you see, if a square is taken common, then we are getting 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, right? Second bracket, power is 3 by 2. Okay, very good. You see, it is a sec square theta d theta by, now please let me know the calculation. Power of a square is 3 by 2, 2 will be omitted, so it is a cube. Okay, it is for sec square theta. Power is 2, so it is sec cube theta. If you don't get it, please talk to me. All of you are required to talk to me. I repeat, it is what? Sec square theta, right? So sec square, that 2 and these 2 will be omitted. So we'll be left with sec cube theta. Okay. Now you see the calculation. It is 1 by a square. Yes, it is 1 by a square, not a matter. And we are getting only here what? Oh, it is not d theta. This d theta will not be written. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So it is what? 1 by sec theta? 1 by sec theta, right? D theta. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now let me know what is 1 by sec theta. 1 by sec theta means what? 1 by a square cos theta d theta. Now, what is the formula of cos theta? What is the formula? Sin theta? Sin theta plus c. And what is the value of sin theta? Talk to me, all of you. It is what? Question number 34-1. 34-1. X by a square root over a square plus x square. I don't know. What was late as by? What was late as by? I mean theta. Can you please let me know what was late as by theta? We let, the question is x. We let, what was late? We let x equals to a tan theta, right? Talk to me, all of you. So we are getting tan theta equals to x by a. Am I right? All of you.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so draw the figure. This is tan theta, this is theta, x perpendicular by base, right? So what is the hypotenuse? Root over x square plus, this is the hypotenuse. Now let me know 1 by a square. What is sin theta? Sin theta means, talk to me, perpendicular by hypotenuse. And perhaps we have got our answer. This is the answer. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 34-2, you see dx by x square plus 9, x square plus 9. If the math was given up to this, it could be done very easily, but here it is whole square. What will we do? Very good. Same pattern, write down. X equal to 3 tan theta. Okay. So dx equal to 3 sec square theta d theta. That means we are getting I is equal to 3, this is 3, dx equal to sec square theta d theta by x square plus, I'm sorry, what is the value of x? 3 tan theta, that is 9 tan square theta plus 9 whole square. Talk to me if any of you fails to understand.
বুঝছি স্যার।
Okay. Now, what will you do? It is 3. It is sec square theta d theta by, you take 9 common here. If I take 9 common, so it is, can you please let me know, it is 81 out of a square. It is 81. Okay. So we can write down here sec square sec to the power 4 theta. Talk to me. Suppose you have failed to understand. Very good. It is 1 plus tan square theta, right? That is sec square theta, and it is again a square. So it will be sec 4 theta. Is it? Hello, everybody.
Yes,
Okay, then it is 1 by 27. And it is 1 by sec square theta. That is d theta by sec square theta. That means 1 by 27. It is what? Cos square theta d theta.
Sir,
Yes.
sir 81 sec 4 sec to the power 4 theta টা কেমনে হয়েছিল স্যার একটু আরেকবার বলবেন?
Okay, very good. It was 9 tan square theta plus 9 whole square, right? Pause it. So I can take 9 common, then it is 1 plus tan square theta whole square. Am I right?
জি স্যার।
Then it is 81 and it is sec square theta. Okay, again it is 2 power. So it is 81 sec 4 theta. Is it?
জি স্যার বুঝেছি।
1 by 27 into half into 2 cos square theta d theta. Okay, that is, we can write down 1 by 54. 2 cos square theta means what? 1 plus cos 2 theta. Everybody. Okay. Please try to understand. Okay. Not a matter. Now you just integrate. This is 1 by 54. 1 means theta. Okay. So theta, what is cos 2 theta? Sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. So we have to get done. Right? Then you see 1 by 54 theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta by 2. Is it? Yes, it is. Now we are getting 2 omitted. So we are left with 1 by 54. Can you please let me know what's our theta? Talk to me, all of you. We let x equals to 3 tan theta, right? Talk to me. Everybody.
yes, sir.
Then tan theta equals to what? X by 3. Okay. Now you see tan theta perpendicular by base. Okay. So we are getting, it is x square plus 9. Now what is theta? Theta equals to tan inverse x by 3. So we can write down tan inverse x by 3 plus sin theta. Sin theta means what? Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse dot cos theta. Cos theta means what? Base by hypotenuse. Is it? So we are getting at last 1 by 54 tan inverse x by 3 plus it is thrice x by it is x square plus 9 plus c. It is the answer. Okay, let me see. Yes, we are wrong only one place. You know what they did? They just converted it into 10 inverse, but we are right here. Talk to me, all of you. Sine 2 theta. What is the formula of sine 2 theta? Will I do according to the book? It is okay. But if we do according to the book, you see, I am going to rub it. If we do according to the book,
last line মুছেন না
okay, just wait. Okay. If we do according to the book, then it is 54. It is theta. What is sine 2 theta? What is the formula of sine 2 theta? Talk to me. What is the formula of sine 2 theta? In terms of tan theta. 2 tan theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Is it? What is the formula of sine 2 theta? Is this?
Yes,
In
sir.
terms of, okay, that's good. 2 will be omitted. Now see here, tan theta equals to what? X by 3. Now you put the value. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. You put the value, then you will get,
Sir,
that
দুই
is,
ভাবে করলেই তো হবে না?
of course, it is 1 by 54. What is theta? Theta equals to what? Tan inverse x by 3. It is theta. Then what is tan theta? Tan theta is x by 3. It is what? 1 plus x square by 3 square means for 9. Is it? Plus c. Okay. Same thing. Okay. You will get the same thing. After this, I am not going to do. Not a matter. Now, before going to question number 35, I have to show you a formula that is the most important to be given in the exam. It is always given in the examination. Very, very important part. Okay, this is the last formula. Okay, just give me 10 minutes time. All of you, please pay attention. What is the formula of this? Who can tell me? You see, you got too many on this a square minus x square dx. Can you remember? But it is this. There is difference. Okay. Very good. To do this math, you write down let x equals to, let me know, x equals to what? A tan theta. Is it? So a tan theta or anything else? Talk to me. If I let a tan theta, then our math won't be, because in the formula we don't get it. So we have to take sine theta or cos theta, a sine theta. Because in the formula of tan, it is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. But if it is minus, then you have to let sine theta or cos theta. Very good. So dx equal to what? A cos theta d theta. So we are getting I for integration is equal to root over a square. Please, it is the important math. X equals to what? X equals to a sine theta. That means a square sine square theta. Now see, there is dx. What is the value of dx? A cos theta d theta. Okay. Now it is what? A square can be taken common. A, then it is actually we are getting here 1 minus sine square theta, and it is a cos theta d theta. Talk to me, all of you. Actually, I have taken a square common, and I have taken out that a squared from the square root. So it is a. That's good. Now you see, this is a. This is a equals to what? A square, right? It is a square. Okay. Integration sign. It is cos square theta. The cos square and this root cos theta. Only cos theta. So we are getting here only cos theta. Only cos theta here, but another cos theta. So cos square theta, d theta. Will I repeat? A and A square. 1 minus sin square theta equals to cos square theta, right? Cos a square theta. That a square and root will be omitted. So will be left only cos theta here. It is cos theta only. And this cos theta will make cos square theta. And it is d theta here. Okay, now you see, we can write down here a square by 2 cos square theta d theta, right? That is a square by 2. It is 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. Okay. So we are getting here a square by 2. 1 theta means what? 1 theta means, talk to me, 1 theta, 1 d theta means what? Only theta. Cos 2 theta, that is sine 2 theta. This is by 2 plus c, right? That is a square by 2 into theta plus, what is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta cos theta by 2, like the previous math. Okay. Now we are again getting a square by 2 theta plus, we are getting these 2 to omitted. Now what I laid at first, can you please let me know? Hello everybody. At first I laid x equals to what? X equals to
A
what?
sin theta.
A sine theta. So from here we are getting sine theta equals to what?
X by A.
Very good. X by A. This is X, this is A, right? So we are getting here actually, oh, sorry. It is not here. This is A, right? I mean, sine theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So we are getting the base as by a square minus x square. Am I right? Okay. Now, what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta is x by a. Wait. Here, theta equals to what? Theta is equal to sine inverse x by a. Write down. Sine inverse x by a. Then sine theta cos theta plus, what is sine theta? Sine theta is x by a. What is cos theta? Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. This is base by hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse plus c. Talk to me. Now we are getting here, you see, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus a and a square. This a square will be omitted by, this is x by 2 root over a square minus x square. Okay. plus C. It is the answer. It is the formula of root over a square minus x square dx. Its formula is this. It is the formula. So all of you are required to write down this formula. You have only 2 maths on this formula, but remember one thing, these types of maths are normally given in the examination, okay? You all are required to write down the formula, please. Have you written it?
Ji, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Now, question number 35, 1. It is root over 1 minus
স্যার আর কয়টা ম্যাথ বাকি?
only 2 maths dx. Okay, you see all of you. Okay, that's good. It is, what is to do? Talk to me. Can you please let me know? Root over 1 by a square. Okay, I'm going to take this common to make x square free. Is it? So it is a square, and this is
মাইনাস
what?
এক্স স্কোয়ার।
You're right. Is it or not? No, it is not. It won't be. It is wrong. It is wrong. I am actually sorry. Actually, I have to make x square free. So only a square is to be taken common. So 1 by a square minus x square dx. Now it is okay. Now you see a square is omitted 1, and a square into x square. This is a square s square. Okay. So this is a square root of 1 by a minus x. Now let me know what is the formula. All of you are required to let me know what is the formula. This a is this a. We don't have any relation with this in the formula. Now I am going to write down the second bracket as it is a. Let me know what I wrote. A square by 2. Is it? Talk to me. A square by 2. So this is a square by 2. Sine inverse x by a. Sine inverse. This is x by a. This is a. A means what? 1 by a. Please remember the formula. A square by 2. Here a is 1 by a. A square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus x by 2. X. What is x? It is x. X by 2 root over a square minus x square. What is a? This is a minus x square plus c. Talk to me. What I have written as per the formula. Now after that you have to calculate. Nothing is left here. Suppose we are going to multiply with this a. This is a, and this is what? 1 by a square, 1 by 2a square, right? Yes, it is. Sine inverse. This is ax. Okay, plus a into x, x by 2. Okay, root over. It is what? 1 minus a square x square by a square plus c. That means we are getting here 1 by 2a sine inverse AX. It is if it is taken outside the A, so we are getting x by 2 root over 1 minus a square x square plus c. It may be the answer. Let me see. Question number 35, right? 1 by 2a sine inverse ax, we are right. X by 2, yes, we are absolutely right. Okay. Hello, everybody.
স্যার
Yes.
লাস্ট লাইনের আগের লাইনে ax by 2 টা কিভাবে আসলো এটা না বুঝতে পারছি না।
This one.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Here it was written x by 2 and a was outside the second bracket. So we have multiplied x by 2 with a. Can you remember a was taken
ইয়েস
common?
স্যার বুঝেছি এখন বুঝেছি।
Okay. Okay. Now for your betterment, or if you want, I can write down. This math can be done by you at home, or if you want, I can do it. But the same formula, this formula. Here 9 is to be taken common. What
স্যার
will you
আপনি
do?
না করে দেন প্লিজ।
Okay. But it will take only 1 minute to do this math. This math, okay? This is question number 35 to 35 to. We are left with only 2 maths. This math and another math. Okay. Now you see what is to be done. This is root over. Let me know what should we do. We have to make x square free, so we can take 9 common. 9, that is 16 by 9 minus x square. Okay, is it dx? Talk to me. Okay, now you take this 9 outside the square root, so it is 3. Now we are getting here root over 4 by 3 whole square minus x square into dx. Now this is the one. I mean, it is your time. Let me know what is the formula. A square by 2, right? You please see. This is A. This is A. A square by 2. Sine inverse. Sine inverse. X by A. X. This is X. This is A. 4 by 3. This is A. X by A. Sine inverse X by A. Then again X by 2. X by 2. Then root over a square minus x square, root over this part as it is, a square minus x square. This is a square, this is minus x square. Second bracket is done, dx. Now you have to just do the calculation. I have put it only in the formula. Okay, we are going to multiply with this 3 dot. This is what? 4 4s are 16. 16 by 3 is a 9 into 2. 9 into 2. Okay, 9 into 2. Okay, this is 16 by 9. 16 by 9, and this is 2. This 2. Sine inverse 3x by 4. 3x by 4 plus, you see, this 3 into this. Multiply it. 3x by 2. Okay, then it is what? If we go for, I mean, calculating, there will be 16 by 9. This is 9. This is 16. 16 minus this is what? 9x square. This is dx. Talk to me. This is 16 by 9 minus x square. What we have done? I have taken 9 as the LCM. Then 16 minus 9x square. Okay.
আচ্ছা স্যার লাস্টে সি প্লাস করতে হবে না?
Oh my God, we have given here dx. So we are wrong actually. It is plus c. It is also plus c. Okay. Thank you very much. Now you see 3 3. Okay, 2 8. So we are getting what? You see 3 3. 8 by 3, right? At a time we're getting 8 by 3. Sine inverse 3x by 4. Okay. Then it is what? You see, this 9 will be taken outside the square root. So it will be 3. This 3 and this 3 will be omitted. So it is x by 2. Okay. Root over 16 minus 9x square plus c. Let me see the answer. 35 2. Ah, yes, it is absolutely right.
আর এটাই শেষ না
Huh? Okay, I repeat. 8 by 3.
স্যার 8
Yes.
বাই 3 হবে না 8 বাই 6 হবে?
8 by 3. And we are right, you know. You see, 3 3 is a 9. 2 into 16, 8. 16 divided by 2 equals to 8. Okay? Aha. Will I show the calculation? This is
Sir,
3.
না স্যার বুঝেছি আপনি নেক্সট ম্যাথে যান
বুঝে গেছি।
প্লিজ।
This is 8. Okay?
স্যার আর পড়ান না আজকে।
Oh, we are left with only one math. Okay?
স্যার আপনি একটু কি দুইটা বললেন না? স্যার
No,
শেষ
no.
করেই যান।
Next, now only one math is left. That is very, very important. So I must do it. Okay? 38 1. I am not going to do all other maths because all the maths are of the same formula. Okay? And so, but it is to be done. What will I do? Actually, we have 2 or 3 maths. Okay? Okay, anyway, you see d theta by 1 plus 3 cos square theta. 1 plus 3 cos square theta. What is to be done, you see? Very easy and simple. Okay, we don't have any other option, but we can divide by cos square theta. That is 1 by cos square theta, 1 by cos square theta, 3 cos square theta by cos square theta d theta. What actually I have done here? Actually, I have divided both the numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Okay? Is it? Okay. Now, what is our goal? It is what? Sec square theta? Sec square theta d theta. Very good. It is what? 1 by cos square theta equals to what? Talk to me. Sec square theta. That is good. It is what? It is only 3. D theta. Okay, now we can do this math. Okay. Have you copied it? Talk to me.
স্যার দাঁড়ান এক সেকেন্ড স্যার এক সেকেন্ড আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে এখন বুঝছেন স্যার
Is Zumaina there? No.
নো স্যার
Oh my God. Okay. Anyway, now you see it is what? Sec square theta.
কেন স্যার মাই গড বললেন কেন
Nothing. Okay. It is what? Sec square theta equals to what? Let me know. 1 plus 1 plus tan square theta plus 3 d theta. Okay. Is it?
স্যার ডি
talk to
থিটা কয়বার লিখছেন একবার হবে না
Oh, you forget it. Of course, there will be one time, not more than one time. It is sec square theta d theta. It is what? Let me know. 4 plus tan square theta, right? Now, if I let here tan theta equals to z, talk to me. Then sec square theta d theta equals to what? Dz. Is it? So in the numerator, what we are getting? Actually, in the numerator, we are getting only dz. And in the denominator, it is 4. So that is 2 square. And it is what? Z. What is the formula? Let me know. What is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. X by a. Now, can you please put the value of z here? Hello, everybody. Are you getting it or not?
বুঝছি স্যার
Okay. Then, what should we do? Let me know. It is half, okay?
tan inverse 10 by a plus c
Tan
হওয়ার
inverse,
কথা না
tan inverse, z equals to what? Tan theta. Tan theta by, where I am getting a, it is not a, it is 2, z by 2.
yes
It is
sir
2. It is 2. Okay, plus c. I don't know, is it in the answer or not?
ও
Which one it
স্যার
was?
ভয় দেখেন না।
It is absolutely right. It is the answer. Okay,
থ্যাংক গড।
শেষ
welcome. Okay, now
বাই বাই স্যার,
yeah,
গুড নাইট।
just wait. We are actually only on math, and it will take only 1 minute. Only on math, okay? Only on math of
স্যার
1
আপনি
minute.
কখন থেকে অনলি করে যাইতেছেন?
I promise. It is 43 because tomorrow I will start a new formula. Tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. This is dx by x to the power half. Very important.
38 এর বাকিগুলা কোথায় যাবে?
38, actually all maths are of those same type. Second math was 1 by 1 plus cos square x. You can easily do it, okay? Dividing by cos square
39
x.
40 41 42 এগুলা
All the maths are of the types that I showed you. Okay, but I wanted, but you are not giving me time. Is it my fault? What I am now going to do?
লাগবে না, আপনি এটাই
না
করেন।
স্যার,
Okay,
নট
anyway,
ইওর ফল্ট।
okay. X to the power 1 by 4 equals to z. Very interesting math. Okay. Here, this is the lowest power. It is the highest power here for this two. So the lowest power is to be taken as by z. So x equals to what? Let me know. Z to the power 4, right? Hello.
জি স্যার।
ইয়েস স্যার।
yes sir
Dx equals to what? 4z cube dz, right? Now let me know what is x to the power half. Who can tell me? If it is x, then what is x to the power half? Z square, right? If I go for having a square root here, then it is x to the power half, that is root over x, and root over x is equal to z square, right? Now you see,
Right.
it is 4. What is the value of dx? Dx is 4z cube dz. Z cube dz, and I have already written 4. X to the power half is equal to z square minus x to the power 1 by 4 equals to z. This is the math. So it is 4. You see, actually what is happening here, if I take z common here, it is z square. Z square dz by z minus 1. And we have got our math. Now, Hishi will be rewarded, not awarded, because you have not been awarded. So, what is to do after this? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Okay, not a matter. It is not your fault. Okay, you see, this is z square, it is z minus 1. Very good. We can write down z square minus 1 plus 1 by z minus 1 dz. Talk to me. Minus 1 plus 1 will be omitted. Okay. Minus 1 plus 1 will be omitted, so we'll be get the previous one. Everybody. Okay. Now you see again, this is 4. Okay. So we are getting here z square minus 1 by z minus 1 dz plus 4 1 by z minus 1 dz. Talk to me. Yes, it is. So actually we are getting here 4. It is only z plus 1 dz. And here we know it is ln z minus 1 We are not going to write down C because it is integration sign yet. So I am not going to write down C here. Now you see it is 4. Z means what? Z square by 2. 1 means what? 1 means Z. This is Z. Okay. Have you got it? Then again it is 4 ln Z minus 1. Now we can write down C here. Now you see this is 2Z square. Okay, 2Z square plus 4Z. Okay. Okay, then it is 4 ln Z minus 1 plus C. What is the value of Z? Z equals to what? We let Z equals to x to the power 1 by 4. So Z square equals to what? X to the power half, right? So it is 2 x to the power half means what? Root over x. It is 4Z. Z equals to what? 4. Z equals to what? This is okay. And we are getting here 4 ln, what is Z? Z equals to root 4x minus 1 plus C. I think you have got it right.